Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ideas for Style. So how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. So here I'm back with very beautiful and simple collection of sandals. Very simple, very stylish and very beautiful designs of flat sandals designs. So friends, in this video you will see different styles of sandals and fancy sandals as well. So guys, these sandals are trending in fashion, so video will gonna very helpful and useful for you. So friends, if you found it helpful, please like to my video. For more beautiful designs of sandals, I must suggest please watch my video till end. For many more beautiful designs and many more beautiful ideas in this video. And I hope you will like it, and you will share this video with your family members and friends. So friends, all these sandals are so beautiful, so stylish and latest, and these sandals are so comfortable, and all these designs are so elegant. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends of dresses, sandals, makeup, jewelry and bags, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas on my YouTube channel, and I hope you also found it very useful and helpful for you. So if you do not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon, you will get a notification of my new upcoming videos. You will never miss my any video and my collection in my channel. You can wear these sandals casually and also in parties, also for office going girls and university going girls as well. All these sandals are very unique and very beautiful and very comfortable. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you in my next video.